The automatic fire sprinkler systems we know today were developed through the 1800s and patented in 1879 by Henry S. Parmalee. These systems have evolved into a revolution in fire prevention, saving countless lives and properties. But there are hidden dangers to your business, property, and the environment within these life-saving systems. Contamination. Lying in the stagnant water are hazardous levels of heavy metals, such as zinc, lead, and copper, that pose grave risks to the environment and wildlife when discharged into storm drains or receiving waters, especially zinc, found in galvanizing piping and special hazard suppression systems. In addition, when attaching hoses to the drain and redirecting the polluted water to landscaping, your employees can be exposed to a dangerous human pathogen known as Enterobacter, which can cause urinary tract infections, respiratory tract infections, bloodstream infections, and wound infections. As mandated by the National Fire Protection Association 25 standards and local fire codes, this rancid water must be drained and discharged regularly as part of routine testing and maintenance. Water from these discharges were found to exceed the EPA's detection limit for these hazardous contaminants. If codes are ignored and the wastewater is illicitly discharged into storm drains or receiving waters, it can result in heavy fines on your business, as well as potential harm to your employees and your property. A Stormwater Pollution Prevention Plan, or SWPPP, is required under California's Industrial General Permit. To assist property owners, CalFire and the California Water Resource Board, in accordance with the National Clean Water Act, have produced best practice guidelines for proper disposal of this water, and specifically states, assess the following prior to any partial or full discharge of water from a vault, substructure, or building fire system into the street or storm drain system. Turbid water due to rust and musty stagnation would be subject to BMP for containment and sediment control. The options for following the best practice guidelines include removing the water with a truck or plumbing the system directly into the sewer line. These are both costly and inefficient. So what's the solution? It's called the EcoSmart FM Filter, and it offers an easy, inexpensive, and safe way to dispose of the wastewater in your fire sprinkler system. Developed by a fire protection engineer, the EcoSmart FM Filter is a stainless steel vessel with an internal hybrid filter element featuring a 100% polypropylene construction and a micron felt filter bag for the inspector's tests. The system is located adjacent to the fire sprinkler riser and can be installed either indoors or outside, depending on the location of the riser. Using the pressure flow of the contaminated fire suppression system water, the EcoSmart FM Filter sequesters the heavy metals and bacteria within the hybrid filter. All contaminants and foul odors are eliminated, allowing the processed filtered water to be discharged onto open surfaces and safely flow into storm drains or receiving waters. Since the hybrid filter contains all heavy metals, bacteria, and sediment, it can be safely discarded into a trash bin. The hybrid filters can be replaced after multiple flushes or when the discharged water becomes cloudy and dirty. The EcoSmart FM Filter offers a practical and cost-effective way of protecting your property, our water, and our environment while also being in compliance with regulations anywhere in the world where fire suppression systems are in use and maintained. If you care about the well-being of your business, your employees, and the environment, visit EcoSmartFiltration.com today or call 562-697-9740. EcoSmart Filtration. The safety of your water is our highest priority.